Do you ever end your day thinking, what did I get done today? You're not alone. Most business owners are stuck in reaction mode, putting out fires, handling client requests, and getting pulled in 100 different directions. But it doesn't have to be that way. I've been there. I'd start my day with a big list of must do's, but by noon, I'd be stuck in emails and random tasks. The things that really mattered, growing my business, working on strategy, or taking care of my family, they got pushed off till tomorrow. And we both know tomorrow never comes. That's why I created the Priorities Power Plan, a simple step by step system to take back control of your day. It's designed to finally help you prioritize the work that matters most and feel accomplished at the end of the day. Now, this is not about just doing more, it's about doing the right things. Imagine starting each day with a plan so clear that you're no longer guessing, no longer winging it, and no longer ending your day wondering, where did all my time go? When you request your free copy of the Priorities Power Plan, here's what you're going to get. You're going to get the Priorities Power Plan worksheet, your printable daily guide to organize your day, rank your top priorities, and block out time for what truly matters. Plus, we'll give you a video walkthrough. I'll personally walk you through how to complete it in 10 minutes or less. Plus, you'll receive the daily review prompts, simple questions that help you reflect, adjust, and prepare for a better tomorrow. Look, you're already spending time every day prioritizing. You're just doing it the hard way. The Priorities Power Plan gives you a proven system to get more done in less time, and it's free. Click the button below to request your free copy and start using it today. I know what you're probably thinking. I don't have time for another system. But this plan takes 10 to 15 minutes in the morning and 5 minutes at the end of the day. Those few minutes are going to save you hours of wasted effort. And it's not about perfection, it's about progress. The goal isn't to get it perfect. The goal is simply to get started. Don't let any more of this busy work steal another day from you. Take 10 minutes to fill out the Priorities Power Plan, and I promise you'll start to see the difference. Click the link to claim your access and take control of your day starting right now. If you're tired of feeling busy but not productive, this is your chance to break that cycle. Click on that link, grab the Priorities Power Plan, and start winning your day.